It has been 75 days of lockdown. India finally gears up for Unlock Phase 2, which begins from today. Now, states across India are now stepping closer towards normalcy, which means that the malls, restaurants, religious places are opening up in multiple cities. Remember, this is the Unlock Phase 2 that has begun from today. Now, places of worship are also reopening in multiple cities with all the norms and the guidelines that will be put in place. In addition to that, we're also looking at restaurants and mall that is also going to open in many of the states. Therefore, we are looking at after 75 days of the lockdown, this is part of Unlock Phase 2 where India is now gearing up. States are now stepping closer towards normalcy. However, there are social distancing norms and multiple guidelines that have currently been put in place to ensure that all the rules are being followed, and hence we're looking at malls, restaurants, even religious places after 75 days of lockdown and being completely shut. They will be reopening in multiple cities. We'll get you updates from each of the city at this point. Let's begin by getting updates from Mumbai, which remember has reported a high number of cases. But in the Unlock Phase 2, we're looking at the BEST bus service, which is going to resume operation for those engaged in non-essential work. Now, those who are engaged in the non-essential work will now be allowed to use the services of the BEST bus service in Mumbai. 250 buses will ply in the city from today. 30 passengers will be allowed to sit, while 5 of the passengers will be allowed to stand. So these are some of the guidelines that has been put in place for all those who would be taking the BEST bus service to commute. There are strict guidelines that has been put in place as to how many number of people would be allowed inside the bus, how many people would be allowed to stand. So these are some of the guidelines that has been put in place. Remember, Mumbai right now has reported a high number of cases. Let me bring in my colleague Neha Kulkarni, who's joining me this morning with those updates. Neha, good morning. We are, of course, looking at Unlock Phase 2, and in Mumbai, it is still concerning because the number of cases are going up. With regards to the BEST bus services which have resumed from today, what are the guidelines that have been put in place, and what is it that people should remember while traveling in these buses?
Good morning, Apurva. As you mentioned, that as a part of Mumbai Unlock, the BEST buses have now opened for people. And as you mentioned, let's tell our viewers that about 86 routes of BEST buses are now open for people to be able to take their routes or to be able to go to their offices. Remember, there is a cap on the number of people who can go to offices, including private and government as well. As far as BEST buses go, the clear rule is that only one passenger should be allowed per seat, and not more than 5 standing passengers are allowed in the buses. In fact, the Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation has also put in their about 250 buses, and in those buses also the cap is that not more than 22 passengers will be allowed, and no standing passengers will be allowed at this time. What I'm showing you right now is a clear visual of the Kurla bus depot. Kurla, one of the eastern suburbs of the city, sees connection to many routes in Mumbai, right from Bandra to Andheri and Santa Cruz, and a lot of people use this bus depot to be able to take a direct bus route till Bandra and Andheri. Now, we understand that as the city has opened up, people have queued up here to be able to take the bus services. Apurva, for the past 20 minutes or so, we've been here in the bus depot. We understand that this is being moderated by a ticket collector here to check that only one passenger is being allowed per seat and not more than 5 standing passengers are going. This is the crowd that we are seeing at the Kurla depot in the morning. There are buses coming frequently, but remember, Apurva, the challenge here is to be able to match up to the number of buses, the crowd that will come, and to ensure that people, if they are being allowed only limited passengers in per bus, then they get the next bus immediately without much delay.
All right, so those are of course important updates coming in for all those who would be taking the BEST bus services in Mumbai. We are of course looking at 250 more buses that will be plying from the city, but also Neha, what about the waiting time? How much time do the commuters have to wait? Because there are of course 30 passengers who will be allowed to sit, there are 5 who are allowed to stand, so there is limited crowd that you can expect inside the BEST bus service.
Absolutely, Apurva. If we can show you directly the visuals, now people will be boarding the buses here. So I will answer your question, but at the same time, let's show our viewers how the boarding is going on. Remember, there are 86 bus routes and about 250 buses have been implemented by BEST administration on these routes. Now, remember, only 10% of staff at each private office and even at the government offices, about 15% is being allowed. Now, to ensure that there are enough number of buses, the MSRTC and other transport body in the state has also roped in buses. This is a clear visual of how BEST buses right now is being administered. If you can see clearly, one by one, only one passenger per seat is being allowed. What we are also showing you is there will be a there will be a ticket collector who will be here any minute, who will enter the bus actually now, and he will be monitoring the situation. Remember, the conductor inside the bus is also ensuring that only 5 passengers per inside as standing is being allowed. So we understand that the BEST administration has told us that officials will be appointed like this to take care to ensure that the social distancing norms are maintained. But Apurva, the challenge here is how frequently the buses are going to come, because remember, to be able to match up to the crowd, to be able to match up to this queue of people, BEST has to ensure that the frequency of buses is maintained, they come on time so that the social distancing remains maintained. Back to you.